should you do CA or why should you do CA? That we are going to see in this video, right? So chartered accountant, I said, is a professional who takes care of the company's account, taxation and audit, right? So if you want to work in this field or you want to be an expert in this field, right, CA is the go-to course in India, right? So why should I do CA? Reasons for doing CA, right? You want to acquire good knowledge and work in the field of finance, tax, audit, accounts, then this is the course, right? Well, the second reason is to earn a good salary, right? You are almost assured of a job when you are a CA. Fourth point is that this is a highly respected profession. And last point is, if you want to start your own business, CA practice. CA enables you to start your own business called CA practice. This we will be seeing in a later video. So this is why you should do CA, right? But should you do CA? For that, these are the characteristics you should be having. The first and the foremost important point is, are you mentally strong and capable of handling pressure, right? Because CA exams are going to be stressful, right? Because you're going to write 8 exams continuously without a break. And it's going to be super tough. And are you capable of handling that pressure? That is one. And are you okay to fail? Right? Because CA course is going to test you really hard. Because even if you fail, you should know how to bounce back, right? Second point is, are you willing to study for 6 to 10 hours a day, right? Because this course requires that much of dedication from your side of things. And last, are you academically good? Is this your passion, right? If these characteristics you have and the reasons also match, then you have found your love profession, right?